So without using ChatGPT, I wouldn't be able to receive $100 every single month, up to $200 every single month, and up to now, I've made more than $4,000 just by using ChatGPT. So I want to share with you this method that make me money just by using ChatGPT. And the very good thing about this is that it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can be in Africa, you can be wherever you are, you can start making money using ChatGPT. And this is the best way, simple way for you to start making money in 2025. So without wasting your time, let me take you to this website, as you can see right here. And the good thing about using ChatGPT, you can start making at least $10 a day, $50 a day, $60 a day. It just depends how you're going to use it. So let's go to this website, and I want you to scroll down here. You can see this place which is written as recent questions, and you answer our first question on this platform, you get $5, as you can see here, and you answer the second question, you get $15. There are other questions here, you can get $40 up to $50. It just depends on how many questions you can answer on this platform using the help of ChatGPT. So what kind of questions you're going to answer on this platform? There are questions about computer, there are questions about kids, there are questions about science, mathematics. So you answer questions on the platform with the help of ChatGPT. You get this question, you go to ChatGPT, ask about this question, you get answers, you answer on the platform, you get paid $50, $40, $5. It just depends on the kind of questions that you answered on the platform. So there are other people who are making up to $100 every single day using ChatGPT. So let's dive in and see the best ways for you to start making money using ChatGPT. Our very first method is a very cool method, and you're gonna get paid by answering questions. And the good thing about it, there are too many platforms out there that are willing to pay you just to answer questions. So you can go to this platform which is called studypool.com, and there are too many questions that you can be answering with the help of ChatGPT, and you can get paid $15 up to $60 just by answering different questions on the platform. The other platform that is going to pay you just by answering questions is called justanswer.com, and this platform is also going to pay you $10, $5. It just depends on the type of questions that you'll be answering on this platform. So you get questions on these platforms, you go to ChatGPT, ask about these questions, and ChatGPT is going to answer you in a very short time. You copy these answers, then you're going to paste on this platform, which is going to pay you just by answering different questions on the platform. So this is our first method for you to start making money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not going to pay you directly, but you're going to get paid using ChatGPT to get answers and all that. So let's move to the next one. This one is very, very amazing, and let me show you here how you're going to make money using this method. So right now I'm on ChatGPT, as you can see right here, and I'm going to write down here, please write me a story about a lost princess and prince. And you're gonna see ChatGPT is gonna generate this story for me in a very short time, and I'm gonna ask also to give me good pictures, good images, so this story can be very interesting. Right after ChatGPT writing a good story for you, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to Canva and you're gonna edit this story in a very good way. Just copy from ChatGPT and paste it to Canva. Then you need to design a good book for you, which is very short. And just after designing this book for you, what you're going to do next is you're going to sell this story to this website, which is called Gumroad. This platform is going to allow you to sell your books on the platform, and you're going to get paid. There are other books are sold for $19. So let's say that you're going to sell at least 10 books a day. You're going to make up to 150 every single day on the platform just by selling only 10 books on the platform. So the other platform that is going to allow you to sell these books is at payhip.com. Then the other platform which is very known is called Etsy. Etsy is going to allow you to sell your books, your design on the platform, and you're going to get paid. So ChatGPT is going to help you to generate good images. ChatGPT is going to help you to to generate good story for you to sell these books to different people around the world. So what I really like about this is that it doesn't take too much time of you. The only thing that can take time from you is that you're gonna have to edit this story to be in Pages, and you're gonna use Canva to help you to design good book. Then download this book, upload it to this platform that I mentioned for you to sell this book to different people around the world. So this was a very interesting way to make money using ChatGPT. So let's move to the next one. Alright, so this is what really paid me very well, and I will forever be grateful for using ChatGPT because up to now I make at least $200 every single month just by using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to help you to script writing. If you have YouTube channel or you're thinking about creating a YouTube channel, I think for now it's way better for you to understand that it's really going to be easy for you to write a script by using ChatGPT. There are this video that I posted. It was like 2 years ago. I used ChatGPT to get a video idea. I used ChatGPT to write a script for me on that video, and up to now this video has made almost $4,000 as you can see here, and is paying me $100 up to $200 every single month. And I'm so grateful. All of that idea, all of that, scripting, all that I got from ChatGPT. That's the reason I say that if you are a content creator, it's way easy for you to write a script. It's way easy for you to get a video idea just by using ChatGPT. So without ChatGPT, maybe I wouldn't be able to make such amount of money to make at least, $100 every single month. $100 can seem not a lot of money, but for me, it's really helping out. Alright, so this one is becoming more and more common, becoming a social media manager using ChatGPT. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna reach out to different shops, AdWords, and you're gonna also reach out to these supermarkets and all these small business and ask them to become their social media manager. A lot of local business right now, they're more focused on going on social media. They're more focused on their business to grow bigger online. So what you're going to do is that you need to ask them if they're going to allow you to become the person who is going to run their Instagram account, their TikTok account. And for you to run this account in a very perfect way, you're going to use ChatGPT to get good captions, to get business ideas, to get a lot of stuff using ChatGPT. And just by doing that, these people are going to trust you, and they're going to pay you a reasonable amount of money just by becoming a social media manager. And I've seen a lot of people making at least $200 a week up to $500 a week. It just depends on this kind of business that you're working with. So I really encourage for you to go ahead and try this out, and it's really going to work perfect for you. So let's move to the next one. We are living in a very, very I can say we are lucky to live in this generation because we can make money in a very easy way. And the good thing about this thing that I'm going to tell you right now is that you can start making money from comfort of your home using these two platforms, which are Fiverr and Upwork, just by offering translation service. There are a lot of projects out there. There are a lot of articles that are needed to be translated. So you can be the one who is going to translate these articles or project just by using ChatGPT. What you want to do right now is that you have to go to Fiverr or Upwork. Then you need to create your account, and you can say that you are offering translation services. So there are a lot of people who may want to come to you to translate their project, to translate their articles, and they can pay you $50 up to $100. It just depends on how big the project is, how big the article is for you to translate and get paid. So what you want to do right now, go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, and you can start translating these different projects, and you can start offering these translation services, and you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. And all of that, you can use ChatGPT to help you to translate, in a very, very, very easy way. So let's move to the last one. All right, so this is our last one, freelance writing. You can now start offering these services about writing in Upwork and Fiverr. And right after offering these services on this platform, you can get clients who can be willing to pay you to write for them different articles, to write reviews for them, and to write business content on Blogspot and all that. Just by writing, you get paid. And the good thing about that is that ChatGPT is going to help you to write all this business content, to write good product reviews and all that, just by using ChatGPT. So I remember back in the days, it was really hard to do this work. It was really hard because it used to take, a lot of time to write all this stuff, to write product reviews, to write business content. But for now, since ChatGPT is already here, people are doing this in a very, very easy way, and they are making a reasonable amount. There are other people who are making up to $1,000 a month just by freelance writing. So what do you want to do right now? Go to Fiverr and Upwork and start offering these services. Then you can start making money. I am extremely happy that we're living in this generation that can seem so easy to make at least $2 to $200 up to $500 in a very easy way, comparing to the old times. Back in the days, it was really hard to write a script. It was really hard to come up with this good idea for your video that can generate up to $4,000. So for now, is way easier for you to get video idea, to get good writing script, to offer different services like translation and all that with the help of ChatGPT. So I'm extremely grateful and I'm so happy that we're living in this generation, and I really hope that and we don't take this for granted. You just have to use your time. You just have to use your time learning new stuff, learning on different ways for you to start making money using ChatGPT and other AI tools. Just by doing that, you're gonna make a reasonable amount of money, and your life will be changed in a very, very short time. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I really hope to see you next time. So see you then.